Okay, hello everyone. So, welcome to WinEnglish. This is a channel that you can use to learn and improve your English. So, if you are still new or you are a beginner in learning English, I hope this video that I will post in this channel will be useful for you. Okay, so first topic, I'd like to discuss about how to introduce yourself in English. Because even though it seems easy, some of my students still find it difficult, or maybe they still get confused on what aspects should I say or should I mention when I want to introduce myself in English. Okay, let's talk about that one by one. The first thing, of course, you need to mention your full name and then your nickname, or the name that people usually used to call you, or the name that you prefer to be called. For example, hello, my name is Winda Rasita. You can call me Winda. Okay, so that's the example, yeah. Full name, and then the name that people usually used to call me, or my nickname. Okay, second point is you can mention where are you from. Yeah, for example, I'm from Yogyakarta. It's a city in Indonesia which famous for its tourist attractions, and also it's called as City of Students. Okay, so you can mention your city, maybe, and also some facts or, yeah, some information related to your city. The third, you can mention about your age and your job. For example, I'm 20 years old and I'm a student. I learn English literature in this campus. You can mention your campus, yeah. Or, for example, I'm 25 years old and I'm an English teacher. I teach in several places and several campuses. Okay, so your age and also your job. But if you don't want to share your age, it's okay. You can skip that part. And then one more thing is about one fun fact about yourself. For example, I like cooking. I usually make cookies or brownies or some simple snacks on my weekend. Yeah, and then you can also say, for example, I like reading. I like to read some mystery books because it's so challenging for me. So one fun fact about you that you are okay to share it with someone new, yeah, to share it with your new friends, for example. You can use this kind of introduction maybe in the first meeting of your class in front of new friends or new people. Yeah. Okay, so let's try to pull it all together. Okay, hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Winda Rasita. You can call me Winda. I'm from Yogyakarta. It's a city or a special region in Indonesia, and it's famous of tourist attractions, and also it's called as a student city. I'm 20 years old and I'm an English literature student in this campus. And I like to watch movies. I like to watch mystery or science fiction movies on my weekend because it can recharge my energy, and also it can entertain me after the busy weeks of or busy days of learning at campus. Okay, thank you. Okay, so that is the example of how you can introduce yourself in English, like the full package, yeah, mentioning from your name until maybe your hobby or fun fact about you. So it's not that hard actually, guys. It's quite simple and easy. And if you still find nervous or confused, you maybe can practice that. You can practice in front of the mirror, or you can try to practice it with your friends. Because learning English is actually not that hard. The key is to practice it. Yeah, no matter how good your English, no matter how many words you have in your mind, if you never practice it, then it would be useless. Yeah, you have to practice it regularly so that you can, by the time, eventually you can also build up or boost your confidence in speaking using English. Okay, I hope this video helps. If you have any question, comment down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!